Hello guys, this is Anya and welcome to my channel and welcome to beautiful, sunny and windy Barcelona. So I often see a lot of people, actually more and more people asking how and where to look for a remote job in 2024. And first of all, what actually remote job means. Well, technically, it's the type of job you can do online. It can be done at home or from a space where you have a good internet connection. Obviously, not every kind of work can be done online. You cannot be a doctor. Well, technically you could, but you cannot still operate online. Or you cannot do, for example, pastries or candies online, but there are more and more jobs that you can actually start doing remotely. And so obviously this kind of job gives you a lot of benefits. I myself, for example, save a lot of time on commuting. I save up to 2 hours a day, meaning 10 hours a week. So technically almost 40 hours per month on commuting, which is like a huge time, which I can invest in something else, like for example going to the gym or just spending more time with my family or with my friends or just, resting. So yes. So I was just thinking of creating this video and showing you how to and where to look for remote jobs. So yeah, let's get started. So hello guys, let's get started with our job research, and I'm going to show you two different options, and we're going to start with LinkedIn. Obviously, this is a social network that a lot of people already know, but I noticed that a lot of people, first of all, do not know how to use it properly, although it's really useful. And a lot of people do not actually know how to look for a job. And I think it's quite resourceful. So let's check. First thing to do is to click on jobs. And here we're going to enter the position we're looking for. So let's say it's copywriter, which is actually a really required position among remote jobs. So first thing to do is to enter your position. The second one is to enter the location. You might enter a specific country. So let's say you work or you want to work in Italy. So entering the location, you will have the results within this country. But you might actually look for something more specific. So let's say a city. So you might still want to work remotely, like from home or a co-working space, but only within a specific location. So let's say it's Rome. Rome. Okay, and to make it even more specific, we will use the filter remote. You have three options: remote, on-site, and hybrid. So in order to have all of the results based on remote positions, we will select this one, show results. And this is what we actually have. So let's say we want to check the first one. You will see all of the details of this job description. So first of all, remote, okay, contract, and here you have all of the description. Obviously this is Italian, so unless you know the Italian, you won't understand it. So let's go for another location. If you want
your job location to be more extensive. Let's say you don't really want to work for a specific country because you want to work remotely, and it could be from Egypt, it could be from UK, it could be from Greece, it could be from Vietnam, and so on. In this case, I suggest you to select worldwide. Okay, and so now we have all of these nice remote positions that technically you can do from wherever you are, but again, pay attention. So in this case, I recommend you to carefully read the job description, because sometimes employers would actually write a remote in job title, but when looking at the job description, they might specify that they want you to actually work from that specific location or within a certain country. So let's see here. Entertainment. Well, this one looks actually okay. So this is the first option, LinkedIn. Again, the second one is a website I like a lot, which is We Work Remotely. This website has the positions from all over the world, and for a lot of different type of jobs you can do online. So the first thing you can do is just to scroll all of the positions available, and on your left you will have the job title, the type of contract. So you can have two different options: contract and full time. And then you can read the location you're required to work from. So here again, pay attention, because if it's anywhere in the world, you can be anywhere in the world. But a lot of positions actually want you to work from USA only, or for example, sometimes it's Europe, sometimes again like Asia only, North America only, and so on, UK only, and so on. If you want to do a more specific research, like a deeper research, you can use the filters here, and you can go to advanced job research, and to enter the position you're looking for. So let's say we're looking for a position in project management. Oh no, we don't have. It's a project. Okay, so now we have all of the results for project, and you have different options, because this one, for example, is creative digital agency project manager for Americas only. Here you have, for example, software developer. So let's check this one. What I like about this site, this is one, I think, of few sites who actually make the salary transparent. So this position is rated between 50,000 and almost 75,000 USD. But if I'm not wrong, this is only USA position. So yeah, it makes sense. Then you will have the time zone. So you still might be, yeah, exactly, Americas only. So you're still required to you can actually work remotely from your home or a co-working space, but you can work in these time zones. Here you have the job descriptions, responsibility, and so on. And you can apply for this position. What I recommend you to do is to, before applying, is to check the website of this company, and obviously to understand if it aligns with your values, and to study its history and so on. So this was We Work Remotely. So the next site is Europe Remote Jobs. This is also very nice because you can use the filters straight away and to look for a quite specific job. So let's say again it's project manager. Now let's change. Let's say customer service. Let's say customer. What do we have? Okay, we have a lot of different options. So on your left, you will have the job title. In the center, you will have the location. So see worldwide, Eastern Europe, and so on. And what is nice about this site is that on your right, you will have the type of languages you are required to speak or to know fluently. So for example, in this case, operations manager, you are required to speak fluently, at least German, and I suppose English. Or for example, in this case, enterprise services project manager in Spain, located either in Spain or in Italy, you're required to speak fluently Italian. So let's check, for example, this one, because I speak Italian, so it might be interesting. So again, you can find the responsibilities, then the qualifications, and the offer, and sometimes you might have here the salary, but this site is not as transparent as We Work Remotely, and the experience, so from 3 to 5 years. So again, We Work Remotely and Europe Remote Jobs are quite similar, but We Work Remotely is quite transparent in terms of salary expectations. So, you wouldn't waste your time just applying, writing cover letters for jobs you actually don't know the salary. And the last one I want to show you is JobGather. What is nice about this site is that at the bottom you can find the most popular full remote positions. So let's say you want to work remotely, you have experience in, I don't know, like sales, customer service, and blah, 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 but you still don't know what is available on the market. So from here, you can actually check the positions that are available in each of this area, and obviously the amount. So let's see, for example, IT, data, IT and product. It's almost 50,000 offers. Obviously, it's the most required and the most popular. If you want to do a more specific research, again, you can enter your job position or skills. Let's say I want to check something with English language, because I know English language, but I don't know what type of work I might do. So let's check. And here you go. So here you have all of the available positions with English language, for example, within Spain. But if I want to check the location, I can also put anywhere. And here you go, like engineer, Russian and English, and so on. So guys, I hope you found it useful, and I will leave you all of these 3 sites in description box. but I will also add some more websites that you can check, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.